Hi guys, so today me and my sister is going to be making a strawberry peach delight. Okay guys, first we have some strawberries here and we're going to puree them at the bottom of this glass with the whisk. Okay, I have cut the leaf off of a few strawberries and I'm going to put them into the bottom of the cup.
So guys, we're just going to mash up the strawberries so we can have the drink. We're gonna try to mash it up. So y'all, the stuff is like mashed up a bit. So yeah, but like you want it to be a little bit like this. But if you want it to be in cubes, you can. But if you don't, you can just do it like this.
Okay guys, here's how it looks. There's a few chunks at the bottom. Okay, we're gonna fill up a third of this cup with Sprite.
So y'all, we're gonna put this strawberry lemonade in here. I'm gonna take off this real quick. Hold on. Alright, yeah, my sister, she helped me. So now we're just gonna pour it in here. Ooh, probably like do like 2 half cups. Yeah, it's probably 2 half a cup. So guys, now we're gonna add the peach inside. I'm gonna put all of them in there. So
Yeah.
okay. And that.
Don't put.
Yeah. Okay. We'll put all the mini cubes.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay guys, I'm gonna garnish it with a lime and a strawberry.
And a peach.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna garnish it with a lime, strawberry, and a peach. Okay. Okay, you guys, here's the finished results of the strawberry peach delight. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.
Like me.
Okay, guys, now we're gonna try the strawberry peach delight.
These are strong. Okay.
It's good.
Yes, it's really good. At least a little tartness on the back of your jaw right there. But it's good. Yes, I like all the flavor.
This one is better.
Yeah, I like that one better too.
Good job, Naylani!
10 out of 10.
Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah.